This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford F-250. First, gather your tools, which might include a plastic wedge, a slim jim, or a long-reach tool. It's crucial to work carefully to avoid damaging your vehicle's paint or internal components. We'll cover several common methods, starting with the simplest techniques. Remember, patience is key when attempting to regain access to your truck. Now, let's explore using a wedge and a slim jim. Begin by gently inserting a plastic wedge into the upper corner of the driver's side door frame. This creates a small, temporary gap, typically around 1/2 inch, without bending the door. Next, carefully slide the slim jim into this opening, aiming to hook or push the internal locking mechanism. Feel for resistance and listen for the click of the lock engaging or disengaging. Another effective method involves a straightened coat hanger or a dedicated long-reach tool. If using a hanger, bend one end into a small hook. Gently feed this tool through the top of the door frame, perhaps using a wedge to create a slight opening. Your goal is to reach the interior door handle, the manual lock button, or even the power lock switch. Patience is vital to avoid scratching the interior or exterior of your truck. If these methods prove unsuccessful, or if you're concerned about causing damage, it's always best to call a professional locksmith. They have specialized tools and expertise to unlock your Ford F-250 safely and efficiently. To prevent future lockouts, consider keeping a spare key hidden securely outside your vehicle or with a trusted friend. A little preparation can save you a lot of hassle and potential repair costs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.